Hey guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Anne, and in today's video I'm going to review the new Norvina palette by Anastasia Beverly. So this is not going to be a tutorial, this is going to be a review. I did already film a look with this palette, so I do know how it performs. That video is going up tomorrow in case you're curious. But I'm just going to give you guys my thoughts on it, if it's worth the money. And also I'm going to swatch all these shades so you can see it. So let's just first start with the eyeshadow palette. I received this in PR, so it came in this gorgeous PR box. If you purchase this palette, it won't be in this box. But I just wanted to show this gorgeous packaging anyways. Now the palette comes in a case which has the name Norvina on it as well. At the back of the packaging you can see like the ingredients and how the palette looks inside. Now when I took the palette out of the PR box, I saw these nail polishes from OP. I didn't expect that, to be honest. I didn't even know that there would be like nail polish in it, but that's really nice. And then I took the palette out of the box and it looks really gorgeous. It has the same color of purple as the box itself. And then when I opened it, I saw all these gorgeous colors inside. So now I'm going to swatch all these shades on the back of my arm so you can see how they swatch. I do want to mention that every time I see a review and they swatch the shades on their arm and they are like very critical about these swatches, I just think that's really weird, because I think the most important thing is how they swatch on the eyes. I think it's just so weird, like if something just swatches really beautiful on the arm but it's like terrible on the eyes, like it doesn't make sense to me. So for me, the only reason that I'm going to show you like these swatches on my arm is just so you can see how the colors look on my complexion. Of course, if you have darker skin, it will probably look totally different. I do know that Anastasia Beverly has a lot of swatches on their Instagram where you can see them on darker skin as well. So my thoughts on the palette is that I think that it's really beautiful. I think this is one of the most gorgeous palette they came out with. I do have to say this purple kind of color and this pink one, it is sort of a matte with a tiny bit of a sparkle. I prefer eyeshadows that are just completely matte, but when I swatched them they did felt really matte, so maybe they're really easy to blend. I haven't tried them yet, but overall I prefer super matte eyeshadows because I think they look most gorgeous in the crease. What I also noticed is that they have quite some color fallout, especially when I did my brush in the eyeshadow. It had like a lot of color fallout. I don't think that's a huge problem because once I applied it on my eyes it blended really easily, but make sure that you use a eyeshadow guard or apply your foundation after doing your eyes, because you can have fallout on your face. What I also think is a downside when a eyeshadow is really powdery, that it will get empty more quickly than when it's not. Basically because you pick more product and you will really quickly hit pan on your eyeshadow, which kind of sucks. So what I would give you guys as a tip, don't like blow away your eyeshadow. If you just keep the eyeshadow that falls out in the eyeshadow, you can just apply your brush on top of it and pick a little bit of the fallout, and this way you can still use the eyeshadow that has fallout, if that makes sense. If you blow it away every time, the product will go away, and I think if you leave it you can use it longer. But the matte ones that I use, I think they're really beautiful. They blended really easily. So overall, I think this palette is amazing. So the next thing they came out with is this new liquid lipstick, which is called Violet. It's a gorgeous purple color, which I think matches perfectly with this new palette. So here you can see the swatch on the back of my hand. It's a really gorgeous color, and if you like a little bit more of those crazy bold colors, I'm sure you will think it looks really beautiful. And also they have launched these 5 new lip glosses, which I think are so freaking gorgeous. I'm wearing one of them on my lips right now, and it's called Venus. I think it's so pretty. I really love lip gloss, and especially those light nude sparkly colors. So I'm really excited that they launched these colors. I'm sure you guys will love them. I think every shade is beautiful. One of them is more peachy. One of them has more of a golden undertone. One of them is more rose gold. I think they're just gorgeous. You can wear them on their own or on top of a lipstick. I'm wearing the color Venus right now, and I'm just obsessed. So my overall thoughts on this collection, I think it's really beautiful. The lip glosses, I love all of them. The liquid lipstick, I do have to say, this is not a color that I would personally use, but I do think the color is really beautiful, and when it dried, it looked really gorgeous matte. And I think the eyeshadow palette is really nice. It just worked so easily. The eyeshadows blended in my crease so easy. The only downside is that it does have a lot of fallout. So yeah, this is the end of my little review. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy. Tomorrow I will upload a tutorial where I use the eyeshadow palette, so make sure to subscribe. And yeah, I hope to see you in my next video. Bye guys! What is er?
It's more matte looking, not matte. So, how are you doing?
Hey, you're ruining my hair.
Dang, dude, looking feisty.